Hello everyone and welcome back to the CEC channel. This month is truly the most wonderful time of the year. It's a season of joy, gift giving, and sharing warm wishes with everyone you love. For this year, let's make it extra special. Are you ready to make your holiday prints truly unforgettable? Forget boring CMYK. Today we're diving deep into the Ricoh Pro C7500 and unlocking the power of gold and silver toner to create stunning, shimmering, festive metallic prints. Let's get started. Check this out. This is a normal card printed in CMYK. As you can see, it's flat, ordinary, and quite frankly a little boring. And this is our masterpiece. The shine and dazzle you see comes from the gold and silver toner, two of the 5th station colors on the Ricoh Pro C7500. It turns an ordinary piece of paper into a stunning high-end product. The metallic finish of the gold and silver toner is a game changer for value-added printing. Better yet, it can even be combined with CMYK colors to create a wide range of beautiful metallic shades. But to use this correctly, you need to note two things in your design process. The first is setting up your gold and silver swatch as a spot color, and the other is setting up overprint if you plan on mixing gold and silver with other CMYK colors. Check out the video in the corner for a detailed step-by-step guide. So, how do you know which colors look best with gold and silver? Let's talk color theory for metallics. For gold, since gold toner naturally has a yellow base, we apply two main color pairing theories. First, warm tones. Pairing gold with warm colors like oranges and reds gives you rich, deep copper and bronze looks. Second, for complementary tones, we pair gold with cool colors such as green. The gold base adds a hidden warmth to the cool tone, creating unique olive gold and antique effects, proving that gold works perfectly for both rich, warm blends and unique complex tones. As for silver, being a neutral base, it is incredibly versatile. You can successfully blend it with virtually any color. It is ideal for achieving those soft pastel metallic or pearl effects when mixed with light colors, and it excels at creating deep cool tone metallics like shimmering blues. To see the range of colors that can be produced, I recommend creating and printing a color chart with all the color combinations and keep it as a reference for future designs. Leave a comment below if you want us to show how to create these reference color charts. That's all for this episode. If this video helped you understand gold and silver printing better, be sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. From all of us here at the CEC, we wish you happy holidays and we'll see you in the next video.